Hugging Face is a leading advocate for open source AI, fostering collaboration on models, datasets, and applications within the machine learning community. Hugging Face is often referred to as the GitHub of machine learning because it aims to promote open source ML and AI. To train a state-of-the-art NLP transformer model, you need to invest significant funds, which, as we said before, isn't feasible for startups and small businesses. Hugging Face helps democratize the process by giving everyone access to pre-trained models, which can be found on their platform. Such models are freely available and can be used to develop proprietary AI by avoiding the massive expenses needed to train an LLM from scratch. Moreover, Hugging Face introduced the Transformers Python library, which is very helpful because it allows AI developers to access pre-trained models easily via an API. Additionally, the Transformers library provides an efficient way to create machine learning pipelines. With Hugging Face, users can share ML models, use pre-trained models, fine-tune ML models, host demos, and evaluate ML models. Founded in 2016, Hugging Face now boasts a valuation exceeding $4.5 billion, indicating substantial resources and commercial status. Like GitHub, owned by Microsoft, Hugging Face's infrastructure isn't open source, though user-uploaded models and datasets are.